In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix weak cell signal on iPhone. Let's get started. The first and easiest thing you can try is moving to an area with better network coverage, since location plays a big role in signal strength. If possible, connecting to a Wi-Fi network can also help, especially if your cellular signal is very weak. If that option is not available or does not work, one of the quickest fixes is to enabling your airplane mode. Enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle it off. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is launch your settings. Click on the option General, click on the option About. From here you can update your carrier settings. If available, you'll see a prompt to install it. Keeping these settings up to date can help resolve network issues. Lastly, what you can do is head back, scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.